guys, it's Ashley. I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing the 15 weird questions tag. So just to put out there a disclaimer that my mom straightened my hair, so I will be touching it the whole time, so go ahead and be ready for that. Alright, so let's start with the first question. What's a nickname only your family calls you? Ashley. We don't use nicknames like that. If we do, they're just like random ones like Ashley, Nicole, what else? Get called Poot a lot. Ash Cakes. What else? Ashburger. What else? Tick Turd. It's an inside thing with my family. What else? It's a whole bunch of other ones. Alright, question number 2. What's a weird habit of mine? Doing this. Touching my hair. All the time. Touching, just touching. Alright, number 3. Do you have any weird phobias? I'm claustrophobic. I don't think that's weird, but I'm very claustrophobic. Like in terms of like, if my feet are in shoes for too long, it feels like my feet are claustrophobic too, if that makes sense. Same with my hands and things like that. So that may be a little bit weird in terms of me, but I don't have any other weird fears. Question number 4. What's the song you secretly love to blast and belt out when you're alone? It's one of those things that if somebody would never ask you, if you never read a question, you could have answered it. I don't know. When I think about it, I'll put it there. All right. Question number 5. What's one of your biggest pet peeves? People chewing with food in their mouth. I cannot stand it. I will not eat. It grosses me out, and I think it's the most disgustingest thing to like eat and have things all around your mouth. Just wipe your mouth. Like, please just wipe your mouth. Have manners, you know. Be respectful of people around you. All right, number 6. Number 6. What's one of your nervous habits? I do this thing a lot with my hands. I'll make like noise. And I'll or do like this thing. This is what I'm doing. I like shake my leg a lot. Let's see what else. I'm touching my hair. That's pretty much it. Number 7. What side of the bed you sleep on? I don't know. Wherever I end up when I wake up, I guess I'm all over the bed. I don't stay in one spot of the bed. I'm all over the bed. Alright, number 8. Number 8. What's your first stuffed animal's name? I remember me and my siblings, we had a monkey and we named him Mungo or something like that. Mungo. He used to creep me out though. Like, I don't know where he went, but I'm glad he's nowhere around here. Need some wood to knock on. Alright, he was very creepy though. We used to have a song, Mungo, Mungo, Jagga like a Mungo. I think that's how you say, I think that's how you do it. We're a weird group of children. 9. What's the drink you always order at Starbucks? I don't go to Starbucks that often, but what I do, I get the, I think it's like the raspberry refreshers. I think it's raspberry refreshers, one of those. I get that, and then I get, no, it's not a drink, but I get like a chocolate chip cookie, and I give them to warm it up in the microwave. It's so good. Or I get like some type of frozen, the salted caramel, that's what I get, the salted caramel frappe with extra ice, whole milk, and extra caramel. That is what, and whipped cream on top. That's what I get. Number 10. What's a beauty rule you preach but never actually practice? I guess priming my face, like putting something on my face so I put my makeup on. That, other than that, I really don't teach any beauty stuff because I haven't done any beauty stuff on this channel. So if that day comes, then I can answer that question more, you know, abruptly. Abruptly. Is that the right word? Appropriately. There you go. Mine's working. All right, number 11. Which way do you face in the shower? Okay. So if I'm not washing my hair, I pretty much face, here's the shower head, so I face this way. And then, of course, I turn around to, like, wash my back and stuff like that to get the water on my back. Then if I'm washing my hair, I'll turn this way to just, like, wash my hair and stuff like that in the water. Then I turn back around. So, both ways. I don't have, like, one particular way, just, like, not standing like a dummy or something like that. All right. Number 12. Do you have any weird body skills? I can pop my hands a lot. I can pop my toes. Let's see what else. Can make this really weird sound. Let's see if I can do it. That. I can do that sound. Okay, just hearing it and filming it makes it a lot more worse when I do it just to know my sister. Question number 13. What's your favorite comfort food that's bad but you love to eat it anyway? Chocolate. Chocolate. Not dark chocolate, but just chocolate. Anything chocolate? Just give me chocolate. I'm happy. You know, it's chocolate. I love chocolate. Chocolate. All right. Number 14. What's a phrase or exclamation you always say? Dag nabbit. Or forget you, or you get on my nerves, something like that. Mostly dag nabbit. Or like eat my dust, something like that. It's don't ask. Alright, and the last question, number 15. Time to sleep. What are you actually wearing? It depends. If it's hot, I'll wear a tank top, bra, shorts, or no shorts and just underwear. Or if I'm feeling fancy, just like no underwear and a bra. Don't sleep ever without a bra on. I don't have time for these ladies to be going down this way, okay? So that was it for the 15 weird questions tag. I don't know how weird you guys think I am now, but hey, it's okay. It's okay. We all got a little loopy in our hair, right? Right? You with me? No? Okay. Well, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down there. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when there's another video from me. Make sure you go check out my other videos. Will be listed somewhere on this screen. Make sure you click on them after this video and go check them out. And write down in the comments below what you guys like to see. I don't see y'all comments, so comment down there. Let me guys, and let me know what you would like to see. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. See you guys later. Bye. That couldn't get weird enough. It just did. Just made one of those weird noises on the internet. The stuff you do for YouTube. Hey, I love it though. I love it. Now let me cut this off. I'm still talking to the camera. Bit of a recording, bro. Okay.